Hi, everybody. We're on week 6. Where did the time go? I want to tell you I've enjoyed this class very much with all of you. I found some great discussion, some great responses. I think that we were all very respectful of each other. I got to play a little devil's advocate. I like to do that. Got some really good thoughts going on back and forth. So I want to tell you how much I appreciate you for that. This week we have the written paper that's due. It's a large paper. It's 200 points. It's on your research paper. It was anything through 11 and 15. Now, 11 through 15, you had your political crimes and terrorism. That's an easy, you could pick a million things out of that. Then we had property crime, enterprise crimes, your white collar. Can you tell I love green collar crime? And we talked about the millennium crimes, cyber crimes. Some of you are going into cybersecurity, a very fast growing field. A lot of opportunities there. I wish you all really well on that. Um, Another one that we've had that's part of that would be some of your people crimes that are covered during those 11 to 15. Some of you are doing papers on cyber crimes. Some of you are doing them on prostitution. Actually, that was done. That was a fun paper to read. There was papers being done on green crimes, some papers being done on white collar crimes. So I have not one of you is doing anything similar to anyone else. So it's kind of fun for me this week coming up because it's going to be very diverse. But I want to make sure before you turn your paper in that you look at what your download submission says. If you turn it in, says that you have more than 25% of your paper, you should somewhere be in the 1, 2, 3, 4%. But if you're coming in at 25%, you might want to rethink looking at that and redoing it. Check your papers, see what needs to be done. You have to have at least, this is a 6 to 8 page, and I don't mean 5.5, I don't mean 5 3/4, I mean 6. 6 pages, 12 font. And I have that on here so you can see that it's going to be APA format. Your cover sheet and your reference page do not count as part of that. If you have any questions, please let me know. I want to make sure that you get every point that you possibly can out of this because this is your last chance to bring your grade up or to keep your grade up. So if you have any questions, you know you can always contact me by calling me at 413-883-3537, or you can email me. I want to thank you all again, and I look forward to reading all that you give me this week. Also, I think the discussion is pretty interesting too, the death penalty. There should be a lot of devil advocates going on this week with that, because people are all over the place with the death penalty. All right, everybody, have a good week.